Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to Crypto, your home for crypto TA. I am your host Martin, and today we're going to be looking at the markets crashing now. If you are catching the stream live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that like button and that bell. That way you will be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is done, join us in the Discord. Links will be going out here shortly. How's it going, guys? I hope you're all having a great time. Markets took a massive dump at some point in time. We're looking at around 10% hit. Man, I'm glad we recovered. I'm glad we recovered some, but still, we're not out of the woods, and that's stuff that we've discussed in the past, remember? Y'all been here, we talked that the market is not bullish, but it's also not bearish, but it sucks because it's not defined. So let's see who's in the house. NBN Firewalk says, what's this crash about today? Andrew, yo, Dragon Ball Z reversal pattern on Ada, exploding Cell, and Majin Buu all together in merger for Gohan or Gotenks or what is it? Vegeta, whatever it is. Margaritas today? No, I'm gonna drink a beer. Morris says, howdy. Jonathan, hi. DCA, felt like a great day. Well, if you got paid today, then yes, it felt like a great day. TA, I'm Bitcoin and Luna. All right, that was really crazy. Yeah, I know. Okay, what's up, dude? All right, let's go check out the markets because I mean they're still not defined. So reversal. Now why? Oh well, you know, guys, right? We talked about not getting into this area and being below 20. Remember, we talked about that yesterday. So the market's not defined. We have the bullish divergence. We still have bullish divergence. Is the only sucky thing, right? Because we found to see a trigger with strength, but that bullish divergence is still there, very much present. Potential fraction to the upside. But I don't like the fact that we got out to this triangle structure that we broke out to the downside that we know could lead us down here to the $1.18 trillion mark. And we're just sucking at getting above. The market took a ginormous dump. So, yeah, recovered some towards the end of the day. Alpha TA says 28K next. Yeah, 30K. I think 20 something we have. 29 and change. Yeah, not just the S&P. A lot of things took a dump, right? Anyways, moving down, right? So where to? We established here what was this move here, man? All the way down here, 1.18 trillion, right? That's not good for the markets. Guys, that's not good for the markets. All right, so we're bearish still. Well, not necessarily 100% bearish, but we're in a downtrend. Right, and then we know we're going to be able to break out of it, right? So we can even say that the short-term trend here is bearish of sorts. I'll draw a trend line, see if we have anything there that holds. Yeah, we kind of try to break, I guess, right? Rejection, try to break, reversal, you know, so we have not broken that resistance line. So we are resisting stuff. Interesting. All right, let's go to Bitcoin because, you know, market cap, it just makes me sad. It makes me so sad. Look at this. Oh no, rejection. We were so good last night. We were above the 20, trying to stay above it. Just kind of sucks that we reversed. Came back down with strength at 36,255 right now for the corn. But if we go to this chart, you're going to see that something somewhat interesting happened. We managed to close right at that $36,556 support. Now we are opening below there. And we're trying to move down. I hate this because that gets us to the 35,733, which we already checked and rejected, right? So why am I saying this? Y'all remember when I said we could go down to 30K on breaking a lot of freaking structures? Look at this, 10% at some point in time. I'm glad we recovered some, but that's about it, right? We are below our support. So now we're below resistance, sorry, and we still have a support at 35,700. I'm not sure if it's going to hold with strength. I'm just praying the market doesn't take another huge dump. I am on an area that I'm starting to get out of some crypto, right? I've told you guys that. I'm starting to get out of some positions. Now look at this. Look at this down here, right? 29,198 on this structure, on that triangle that we broke. And here on this larger upsloping channel that we broke not once, but twice, but 3 times now. That confirms we don't want to be in that structure, right? It's like breaking down 3 times. It's like, no, we don't want to go back in. We kind of wanted to go back in, but no, the bear said no. And the bulls are not strong enough because the bulls are not there right now. So we're starting to move down, right? Where's the next target? Well, we might find some support here at 34,800 on this chart because that's where we have our anchoring point for this here area. But we know that measure move gets us all the way down here to that 29,800s. So 29K, it's going to be a good area that we could be looking for over the next couple of months, maybe for us to go to and revisit and reminisce about what's going to happen once we get down there and how everyone's going to be screaming bloody murder and how the market is it's dead and crypto's no longer there and Bitcoin's a scam. And we're going to start getting everyone pissed off and coming out and calling crypto whatever. But we know better. We're going to DCA at lower areas, right? We're going to buy more crypto at lower areas with whatever we liquidate at these levels. So again, that's the important thing. Liquidate at this level so that when that drop comes, you can buy in cheaper still. Right on. Now, I'm not saying the market's going to go there effectively right now, but that's why I'm going to step out of positions slowly, right? As it keeps on dropping, I'm going to keep on stepping out of some positions so I can buy at a lower area of value and get more bang for my buck for when it pumps again. 4-hour chart. Oh, look at this, a 4-hour. Oh no, we had a pattern completion here, remember? We already established that yesterday. We went like this. You remember when, oh, look at this. Oh, broke the upside. Oh, pattern completion. Oh, let's get there where it goes. Oh, look at that, pattern completion. Oh my goodness. So we completed the pattern. Bearish divergence hidden. It broke us with a lot of strength. I was hoping flagging and then maybe another movement up. Right? I think I talked about that potentially happening. Because that's what I was expecting to see, right? Impulse up, consolidation, get another impulse up, then create some bearish divergence, right? Strong and get up a big break, but we didn't get that strong bearish divergence. That just freaking sucks. So, yes, moving down, double bottom, play to the upside, that's it. Done. Nothing else. Nothing else here. Sold at 31.17. Market sucking a lot of dung, right? Here, lower, more negative momentum, lower still, nothing here. Of course, that is bullish because we just massively crashed 10%. So we're getting rid of any kind of divergence and hope for divergence. The only thing we can hope for here is maybe we move down a bit and then maybe we'll create some divergence here within the same area, right? Get that potential fraction to the upside. That's about it, though. Oh, on the daily, I forgot. You see this small break that we got? Guess what, guys? Guess what? That bullish divergence is not the way we want to have it. Guess what? We could still drop a hell of a lot more and still have bullish divergence. Yay! Sarcasm. Look at this, right? Still holding on to this bullish divergence, strong, right, for a potential action to the upside. But now we're going from one island to the next. Now, how strong is this divergence going to be for it to play us to the upside? I'm not sure yet, right? That only tells us that we should start looking for some action to the upside. The only thing I can tell you is that till yesterday's closing here, we started to create this new island, right? Because we have this small, weak break on separation. And yeah, this makes it this one island and then this another island. So we're starting to anchor the way we want to. This could very well keep dropping. This could very well keep on dropping, right? And we're still going to have that bullish divergence strong. And just because we just started to make it, it does not mean we have to hold it, right? Just watch out for that. Again, be careful with your positions. Manage risk. Manage risk. Yeah, everything's like taking a big dump, right? Erythrum. 2,730. Oh, we broke 2,789. I know. Now the target. 2,620. Oh, the shame. Bullish divergence is there. Now, if we want to go on this last bit, we're going to be having medium bullish divergence. I'm going to wait for today to be over before I actually shift anything. Neutral at 41. Not really a lot going on. Again, rejection of that 20 here. Oh, no, we went down with, Bitcoin. Oh, but we didn't go as hard as Bitcoin. Right? We didn't go as hard as Bitcoin. At some point in time, we're holding on a little bit better. But again, nothing here that is bullish. Maybe from way back here, no, we're still slightly higher. So I'm going to wait again. There's really not a lot here to look at because we just took a massive dump. So, dumpage happening. That's all good. What do we expect to see here? Same thing that I said with Bitcoin, right? We move lower, maybe here and have some bullish divergence strong. That's about it. Really not a lot to look at. Just taking a big, ginormous dump in the market. But, nothing here that was bearish either, right? We didn't have anything bearish for that moving down. It's just the market was weak. Everything went down. Dow Jones, man. The Dow Jones, look at that. Taking a massive 3.12% drop. SPX. Oh no. There we go. Massive drop right there, 3.56. Gold at some point in time, it was actually trying to hold. I'm not sure if it managed to hold. I stopped looking at it at some point in time throughout the day, and I know gold, oil was also quite a bit higher, but we're gonna check. Gold taking a drop, right? Like I said, it was trying to hold. It managed to drop a bit towards the end, and then oil close in the green right now, starting to go in the red. So oil's the only thing that held. The rest of the stuff just went, poopsie, oopsie, poopsie. I took a crap on the market. As the market went down hard, guys. The market went down hard. Oh no. All right. Someone had said, "Oh, what? Luna, the lunatics." Luna at 81.37. No, look at this. We are preparing for the bottom, coming back down, hitting that bottom part of that, curve again. That was just fortuitous coincidence because really didn't place that there for us to hit. I was looking for a movement maybe down here, but the rejection of the 236 and upon rejection at 20, right? So nothing here that is bullish yet. Neutral at 43.40, and like I said, we needed to get above this area for us to keep on running, get above the 20. We failed miserably right here. Bearish divergence, strong. Oh, look at this. Maybe did we not call this yesterday? Did I just skip over this divergence? I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure someone requested this yesterday. I might have skipped over this divergence. Potential fraction downside. Taking a massive drop again at a key area of resistance. Neutral at 43.39 on the RSI. I mean, you could go either way on the RSI. But we know it's bearish, so again, we're still expecting far movement down. And then here in the 1 hour, look at that. Oh, bearish divergence, strong action on the downside. Oh no, we're taking a massive drop. Nothing bullish. Lower, more negative momentum, lower on the RSI. Sold at 38.73. Today's a beer day. But why are you drinking beer? Because it's not a celebratory stream. The markets are crashing. We're going to have beer because whiskey is for winners. And today the market was a loser. Yeah, the market just lost a lot. But we know the market's weak, right? We've been talking about that. If you remember, I even had a stream a couple days ago saying the market is, a dung. And I think I said, like they had the emoji with the poop because we know the market's not there. And I've been talking about that the last couple, streams for like now a couple weeks now probably. Saying the market's not bullish, it's not bearish. We're not really defined. I mean, we dropped, but we're not really dropping a lot. I mean, 10%, 6%, yeah, but we've been there before. Maybe not recently, but we've been there before. Last time we were here was back on, January, right? So we're creating price of January. And here on February also we revisit it. So right now we're trying to do stuff. I'm not sure if we're going to hold, right? I'm not sure if we're going to hold. The market is not really there. And the market's not really clear where it wants to go. So it could just very well go down to 30K, take a humongous drop, and call it a day. And that'll be it for the market, right? Preparing for warm-up, sure. His shorts are probably doing good. I'm also wearing shorts today. See if I can do this and not fall and like break my arse. Yay! Shorts. Yay, I didn't fall. Shorts are good. Especially if they're cargo shorts. They hold a lot more, right? You have more bags. You wanted to see some leggings. You were like rooting for me to put some of those Sheamus leggings the other day. Don't lie. Oh, yeah. Yeah, the market wasn't really there, War. That drop was completely unexpected with that strength. Here on this chart, we know we rejected the zone, right? We're close right there. We're rejecting. There was not really a lot of strength. This pump we knew was on the Fed. This dump, it was just, a reaction to the rally. But like I've been saying, the market's not really there. And you asked me what I would be trading for shorts, and I told you what I would be looking for shorts, pattern-wise. and things like that. But at this drop, I was not expecting a huge 10% drop today. Sometimes I've told you guys, it looks like the market's gonna drop. It looks like it's gonna be one of those days that the market drops 10%, and we do drop 10%. But am I feeling better? I'm feeling better, thanks. But yesterday it was not one of those days I was expecting for us to go down 10%. Right? Dixie TA, yeah, why not? I'm dyslexic, typing DYX. XDY, I'm not sure what I was going to type. I'm kidding, I'm not dyslexic. And he's not said dyslexic. That's just a joke. Moving sideways, coming down and down. Ah, no, look at that. The dollar index, it's strengthened. It strengthened a hell of a lot today, right? It pumped quite a bit. That's why everything else went down. Look, yesterday the dollar index went down, and we talked about that, and everything pumped. Today the dollar index recovered, and everything else took a ginormous drop. So, right now we're going sideways. We're coming down and down on that MACD and the RSI. That tells us that we have medium bearish divergence. Yay! We're looking for a market to move down. Yeah, whoop-de-doo. But how are we gonna go there, good sir? I know. Had to stop a print. I was printing something really cool, and it was coming out sort of okay, but it was gonna be a bit wonky. So I lost basically 2 days and approximately 500 grams of filament. But it's not lost. It's not lost. I'm gonna practice on those pieces that I was printing, and then I'm actually gonna start reprinting today. I think I got everything fixed. So if that's coming out fine today, it's gonna be great. It's gonna be an awesome thing. But the markets are just chilling, just like we are. Well, they took a massive dump, but we're chilling. Oh no, look at this. You look at Phantom, sure. FTM for the mother. Oh, look, we have it here. For thy mother, USD Phantom dollar calculated by trading on Binance. Yay! Let's check it. Oh no. Bullish divergence. Pumping. 786 rejection. Oh no, we're not really doing a lot. Sold at 32.90. Oh, what? Let's go to the 1 hour, 4 hour. Oh, look at this. We're gonna go in a rally. No, you're not. That tracks you there. Oh, bearishness. Oh, the bearishness. Bad and burn bearishness. Action to downside. Oh, dude, the market's dropping. Took a massive drop, right? Oh, what was this? 11% on this one here. Candle. Massive drop. Right below 20. Sold at 37.51. Not really a lot going on right now that is bullish. Again, we gotta wait for that to develop. On the 1 hour chart, hey dude, nothing here. Coming lower, morning momentum lower still. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish. We gotta wait for something to develop. Right, like I said, maybe we want to wait for this to drop, and then we can say, yo, there's gonna be bullish divergence. But it's not there right now. It's not there right now. Gotta wait, guys. That's it. You know, it's a waiting game. We took a drop. It was an unexpected drop. At least I was not expecting to get a massive drop today. You know, after yesterday's rally of like, 6%, 3%, I can't remember how much it was. It's probably 6%. I could have expected some pullback, but not a lot of pullback. Not as much as we did. I think it probably was around 3%. We'll see. We'll see here in the daily. We pumped 5%, 5.18. Adrian says, I think Algo is trying to recover the quickest. Sorry guys if I put voices to your typings and maybe you sound like that or maybe you don't sound like that, but if you do, that's awesome. If you don't, that's also awesome. Just don't worry about it. Oh look, it has bullish divergence. Love you some algorithms. Bullish divergence strong, potential flexion to the upside. Oh, look at that pumping. Oh no, rejection today. There's the market right now trying to go on the green at 1.50%. Held support at 61.92. Good. Great Scott. We're dropping still a little bit, and I'm not confident in shifting the the fibs. Why? Because we're not doing a valid retrace by any means. So maybe on this move here, we might have created some kind of valid retrace and see where we're at. Oh, look, we hit the 382, almost spot on a rejection more. So we're gonna go with the smaller fibs here. It's gonna start to get a little bit messy, but we'll know. These are the short-term fibs here, and we're below the 236. Oh no, good start. We gotta recover that. All right, neutral at 44.07. 4-hour chart. Oh, look at that. Yeah, nothing bearish. Quite curious. Of nothingness. Look at this. Why did I draw that line when we have nothingness going on here? Beats me. I get excited. I thought we might have had some divergence. But we don't. But we're trying to recover. Again, absolute consolidation. Watch out. The way it's recovering, right? Getting that hook. So just watch out for a potential bear trap. Hopefully it can keep on recovering. Just watch for potential bear traps. Neutral at 46.86. The 1 hour. People gotta chill with the triggering. Yeah. People gotta chill with the triggering. I'm not sure what the triggering is, but people gotta chill. Nothing here that is bullish, guys. Neutral 42.90. There's really not a lot. Fazan, what's up, my friend? Stefan Watson says, Oz. Okay, Oz. Here we go. Oz to the dollar. That's 16.54. Alright, let's all get this coin. Alright, we're at support of somethingness. Old fibs, very old fibs. They no longer work for us. Because from when we looked at this, it had something bullish here. That's the last line we have there. And then we just passed everything by. All our triggers. Man, this thing did good. Sucks that we're not following with the rose. Now, Morose. Let's do this. Low point here. High point here. There we go. Oh, look. Bounce at the 786. Awesome. We're at support. Do we have stuff that is bullish, sir? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Bitcoin dumping. Yeah. New. We talked about that. Market sad. Hulk sad. I'm sad. Market sad. Sold at 35.73. Hello. Positive, less positive. High, hello. Nothing here. We're still slightly higher than this previous low here, so nothing bullish. About to create some strong bullish if we drop a bit more. Sold at 37.93. 1 hour. This is not there yet, but it's also about to start creating some bullish divergence, right? We just need to drop a bit more, and we'll be creating that bullish divergence, right? But that's about it for Rose. Thank you very much, Stephen Watson, for requesting this. Mr. Watson! My esteemed Mr. Watson, what does Sherlock Holmes think about Rose? Did she do it? Murder of the bearishness. I'm not sure what this is. It's dropping. Thanks. You're welcome, my friend. There's really not a lot going on because everything took a massive drop, so there's really not a lot of bullishness there yet. Gotta wait for something to develop. Maybe hopefully we get a reaction rally, but I'm not seeing that yet. And Bitcoin about to drop a little bit lower and start creating that divergence that we talked about. Oh, look at that. Oh, no. Same level, right, of price right now. Same level of price right now. Again, coming in here lower. And again, we're going to start creating that bullish divergence. Potentially try to get us to rally and get above 36,556. That's it, guys. There's really not a lot. What else are we going to do? It is Thursday. I'm not sure if I'm going to be here tomorrow. I might go watch Doctor Strange. I'm not sure yet. I'll let you guys know on the Discord. But I am trying to find a good time that I can go see that, where it's not too late, but it's also not super early. But we'll see, we'll see. Again, market's not there. Still struggling. We haven't seen bullishness play out. We're below 200 moving average. I mean, conditions are bearish, right? I'm not bearish. I am not bearish. But conditions are bearish. And we've talked about that, right? We're being below 200 moving average on the daily. Failing to get out of channels. Failing to break out of channels to the upside and breaking channels to the downside. Breaking triangle formations to the downside. Things like that are not good, right? That's just bearishness. Bearishness is staring us right in the face, and this is not the Revenant, but we are about to get, mauled by the bear that, mauled Leonardo DiCaprio in the Revenant. That's what it feels like. The bear market is going to be rough, I think, if we do go bearish. Yeah. I think, guys, that's going to be it for right now. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for being here, being an awesome part of this community, and being here almost every night, if not every night. I know some of you guys are here every night, but some of you guys are not here every night. But whenever you stop by, it's awesome. Remember that all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We are just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. On that note, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you again tomorrow, maybe. Maybe not, we'll see, for another edition of Sell Crypto. Until then.